Welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Today is Spice Challenge Day 2. Spice Advent Calendar. That's pretty interesting for me. Thank you very much, Peter. Peter, thank you now. So, what is today's spice? Dum. Bruschetta All Arrabbiata. Bruschetta spice. I can imagine the flavor. Okay, I like bruschetta. Open how the inside is. So, inside is like this. Oh. Maybe dried tomato and mixture of spices. Parsley, basil, parsley, oregano, like that. Looks nice. How the flavor is? Taste little bit. Many herb flavors with sweetness of, I think it is from tomato. Okay, so every time I want to use these spices with Japanese twist. What shall I make today? It's bruschetta spice. So, I think yaki onigiri, grilled rice ball. So, first I gonna soak in olive oil. Put a little bit in the bowl and pour olive oil. Do I need a little bit salt? But I use salt for when I molded rice ball, so I think I don't need salt for this. And soak a while. A little bit taste this olive oil. I think I need salt, so put a little bit salt and combine. Okay, I think it is good. Okay, I'm gonna mold rice. Put water on my palm and take some salt and rice. Be careful not to burn your hands. Okay, mold like triangle shape. Okay, like this. Then set aside. Another one. No muss. And make it like triangle using your hands like this. Imagine the triangle shape. So the rice ball will become a triangle. And place your rice balls in the grill and smear the olive oil, the spice soaked olive oil. Both sides. Smear both sides. Then grill it. And check sometimes and smear this olive oil few times. Okay, I think it is ready. Nice, beautiful. Okay, let's transfer to the plate. I hope it's turned well. So, いただきます。My bruschetta arrabbiata rice bowl. So, it's hot, so I'm using chopsticks. And little bit oily because I use olive oil, but I don't care. いただきます。Oh, this spice aroma matches with rice. It's good. Olive oil and this spice combined really nicely, and the salt flavor goes through to this rice. Totally, it's really good. I think it's a little bit oily, but if I use ketchup instead of olive oil, it may be good, or just combined into rice, it's also good. Okay, today I learned another thing. Maybe all of those spices are very unfamiliar for me, so this is very good chance to learn. So hope you guys enjoyed my spice challenge. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below, and please let me know the best way to use this spice for you. Thank you for watching. See you next spice challenge. Bye bye.